Hi, welcome to Health to Infinity with Yulia. Today we're making Mojito Salad. The flavor on the salad is amazing because you can taste the creaminess of avocado, the sweetness of an apple, and sourness of kiwi, plus a hint of mint. If you have a very busy schedule, you still might be able to make it pretty much any time you want because it literally takes a few minutes to make. Let's get started. First, we'll start with one ripe avocado. Cut it in half, take the first half and cut it in a crisscross manner. Add it into the bowl. Make sure to take the pit out. Do the same with the second half. Once in the bowl, use the spoon to make sure all the pieces are separated. Next, take one apple and peel it. To save time, I use an apple peeler. This is one of my favorite kitchen tools. I'll leave a link down below if you want to get one for yourself. Cut the apple into quarters and decore it. Then cut each quarter into small cubes. When you are done, add it to the bowl. Next, we take our kiwi and cut it in half. Spoon each half onto the cutting board. In this recipe, I'm using a golden kiwi. But I think green kiwi is actually better for this recipe. Cut it into cubes and add it to the bowl. Next, take about 20 mint leaves, roughly chop them and add them to the bowl. Last but not least, 1/4 cup of pecans. You can substitute walnuts if you want a more earthy flavor. Pecans are on a sweeter side, so I prefer pecans. Roughly chop them and add them to the bowl. For the dressing, we use only 2 ingredients, 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar. You can use agave instead of coconut nectar. Mix both ingredients together and pour it into the bowl. Mix all ingredients really well. Keep in mind, it's only a template, so if you feel like you need to add more lime juice or less of any other ingredient, it's up to you. You see, was it quick? Few ingredients and you have a magic salad here. Okay, let's try this mojito salad. Let's get a little bit of everything in here. It really tastes like mojito. Each time I forget about it, but it's really cool. So, mint and sour and sweet together, creaminess of avocado, and you know, the dressing actually adds to the whole, it's just literally you eating a drink. It's amazing. And you know, the nuts actually give it like heavier texture, so I think you can be full with like a smaller amount of the salad for the whole day. You definitely should try it. That's it for today's recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when a new video comes out. Let's explore the journey to infinite health together.